Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Barbie birthday wishes doll. So let's get started. To draw beautiful Barbie, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and start a curve. Basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across, about right here. And I'm going to try to make the center, the bottom, a little bit sharper. So I'll come to about right here and then go up. And connect there. So we have the bottom of a U, but just slightly sharper towards the chin area. From there, I'm going to come back to where I started. So about right here. And I'm going to come right to the edge, about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve down. So right here, we're going to go curve towards about right here. And I'm going to come right across about in this area. Imagining the other side, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go up and curve towards the edge. So I just want to create these two curves, and that's where I'm going to start my eyes. Then from there, let's come back to where we started right here, and I'm going to draw a curve that comes down to create the opening, to make it bigger. And I'll just come about right here and I'll stop. So same thing over here. Come down and come towards about right there and stop. So just creating the opening. Then from there, let's come back in here and we're going to draw a big circle inside. A little bit more towards this edge. And then come back in with another circle. And I'm going to come right here with a highlight and shade this all in. So when you color, you just put whatever color you want in that white area right there. So same thing on this side. And another one. And then a highlight right here. And shade this all in. Now that we have that in, let's spruce them up. So I'll come to the top and I'm going to thicken it up a little bit more just to anchor the top. The eyes. So this curve right here will be a lot thicker. And then let's come up here. We're going to draw some lashes. I'm just going to add maybe 3 lashes. Just flick them up. And same thing here. 1, 2, and 3. And at the bottom right here, you can add maybe 3 small ones. There, spruce it up. And then let's give Barbie here a smile. So right here, about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a soft curve and come up and cap it off. And then now let's draw her brow. So come up, so say about right here. And I'm just going to draw a soft arc over the eye. And just thicken it up. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Soft arc down and thicken it up. There. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's come back to the sides right here. We're going to draw her ear. So pop out a curve. And before we finish the curve, I'm going to come in here and draw a circle for her earrings. And I'm going to add another one. And I'll come in here with some details and 2 curves. So same thing on the other side. Curve, and before you finish, draw a circle and another one. There. Now we're going to imagine an oval for Barbie's face. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point right in the center. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve down to connect right back for our face. So same thing over here. Come right back down. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw her gorgeous hair. So let's come over here on the sides of her ears. We're going to pop out 2 angles. And on the top right here, I'm going to come up nice and high. Let's just say about right here. I'll just give myself a point right in the center, and I'm going to draw a curve From there, I'm going to bring this curve down. I'm just going to flick it out. And just imagine this coming. Let's go up to create the top of her head. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect. So same thing right here. And connect. So right here, she has this half ponytail that's tied up. So right in this area, this curve, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve and another one and connect. So this is her hair that's binding that half ponytail. And then we can come right here and come down towards her ear, taper it in a little bit and then out. So same thing here, come out towards her ear, come in and then out. There. And then for some details on her hairline, just come right here towards the center. We're just going to flick out some curves. Maybe the one going that way. There. Make this one a little bit higher. There. Okay, so now we're done with the hardest part, which is right here. Let's go ahead and draw her body. So right underneath her chin, let's give her a little neck. And we're going to bring this down for her shoulders. And same thing here. Down, shoulders. And for her dress, there's this cutoff part right here off the shoulder. So I'm going to stop right here and I'm just going to wobble, curve right across. And then I'm going to thicken this down and do the same thing right across. There. And then I'm just imagining her armpit, so it's going to be about right here. I'm just going to add an angle line on both sides coming in. So then from there, I'm going to, let's cut it off right here. And there's 3 layers to this. There's a ribbon layer, so I'll come right underneath and right here in the center, skip a little bit space. I'm going to draw the center of our bow. I'm going to come out, draw this first loop and then another loop right underneath. If you like, you can add some curves right here for some detail for that. And I'm going to bring out a tail. And same thing here. Okay, so then let's come back for some details on this waist area. I'm going to come out, so I want to make sure my ribbon comes out right here to her waist, right underneath. And so one first layer, a poofy, then flat, or you can just go all the way down and then right here, curve out a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect with a curve. Just a slight curve right here to connect. So there's these 3 layers right there. And then we can go ahead and pop out her dress, her skirt. So come out nice and poofy. And let's bring this down. So just step back and see how long you want to make her dress. So let's keep going. Just keep it a little bit more. Okay, so about right there, I'll stop. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. Just want to make sure about the same area on the other side. And now that I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So just wobble my way across. And the center is always lower, so it's coming in at a curve. From there, let's finish this ribbon. So I'm going to come down, bring it down, maybe curve it out a little bit, and cut it off. And same thing here. There, there are 2 ribbons, and then now let's draw her hands. So nice and simple to her side. So let's come right here and curve. That way we don't have to draw too many details, and we can just tuck her hand in right here in this area. So same thing here. And about right here, pop it out a little bit and then in for indication of her hand. And then now we can go ahead and finish her hair. So let's pop this out a little bit and bring it in. Classic Barbie hair. So bring it around and in. If you like, you can add some details right here. We can do that when you're coloring. Right there, and let's see. I'm going to, since this part is pretty bare, I'm going to add a heart necklace right here for Barbie to make her my Draw So Cute Barbie. And give her a little necklace right here. A heart right in the center. And let's bring this in a little bit more. And you can come in here and add some details on the hair if you like, or you can just do this when you're coloring, so it's not so harsh. Just want to show you. Add some curves right there. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Barbie turned out in her beautiful dress, and that I've made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.